Are you wondering which platform, Monday.com or Zoho Sprints, is best for agile teams? Both of these tools have their strengths, but they also come with some limitations. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know which one is the better choice, or if there's an even better option to consider. First things first, Monday.com is widely known for its versatility and user-friendly interface. It's packed with features that work for a range of team sizes and types, from marketing teams to developers. However, when it comes to agile teams, Monday.com can feel a bit too broad at times. While it offers customization, the complexity and wide array of features can sometimes slow down teams that need to focus quickly on their sprint cycles. The workflow can feel like it's built for everything, just not specifically agile. You'll have to put in some extra effort to tweak things to fit the agile methodology perfectly. Next thing is Zoho Sprints. This platform was designed with agile teams in mind, and that focus shows in its features. It's streamlined for agile workflows like Scrum and Kanban, which is great if your team follows these methodologies. You can set up backlogs, sprints, and even track burndown charts directly within the tool. It also integrates well with other Zoho products. But here's the catch: while Zoho Sprints focuses on agile, it's not as flexible in other areas. The UI isn't as intuitive as Monday.com, and you might run into a learning curve when first getting started. Additionally, the reporting features are a little more limited than you'd get in more versatile tools like Monday.com. The third thing is integrations. Monday.com wins here, hands down. It offers seamless integrations with a wide variety of third-party apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Salesforce. If you have a lot of tools in your workflow, Monday.com is probably the better choice. However, Zoho Sprints does have solid integrations, especially within the Zoho ecosystem. If your team already uses Zoho tools, Zoho Sprints will work just fine with them. But if you're using a mix of different platforms, Monday.com might give you more freedom. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Monday.com takes the lead again with its more polished, visually appealing interface. It's designed to be intuitive, with a drag-and-drop approach to managing tasks and projects. However, this can also be a downside for agile teams that need something more streamlined. While Monday.com can be customized, that customization can get overwhelming, especially for teams trying to implement agile principles quickly. Zoho Sprints is more compact in design, focusing on the essentials. It may take a little more effort to navigate, but it's got a more focused approach for agile teams, which can be beneficial in the long run. Next thing to consider is pricing. Monday.com can get expensive, especially for larger teams, while Zoho Sprints offers more affordable pricing tiers, which could be a key factor if you're a smaller team or looking to save on your software budget. The difference in price can be significant, especially when you're scaling up. The fourth thing to mention is the level of support and community. Monday.com shines here with its large user base and extensive knowledge base, but Zoho Sprints, though smaller, provides decent customer support and resources. You might find it a bit harder to get instant help with Zoho Sprints, but the support you do get tends to be personalized and responsive. So, which one is best for agile teams? Both Monday.com and Zoho Sprints have their merits, but they also have drawbacks. If you need a more customizable, versatile tool with powerful integrations, and you don't mind putting in some work to fine-tune it, Monday.com is your best bet. However, if you're looking for a tool that's purpose-built for Agile, particularly Scrum and Kanban workflows, and you're okay with a slightly more challenging learning curve, Zoho Sprints may be the right choice. That said, after trying both of these myself, I have to recommend an even better option. If your goal is to optimize your Agile workflows without the clutter and confusion of overly complex software, the best alternative might surprise you. Take advantage of the exclusive free trial through the first link in the description, only available to our viewers. You'll get the best trial and benefits that will help you decide if it's the right fit for your team.